In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into HoneyBook Dashboard, Easy Guide 2026. Let's get you signed in quickly and safely. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading directly to honeybook.com. Typing the address yourself or using a trusted bookmark helps you avoid lookalike sites. Once the page loads, glance at the address bar to confirm you see the secure padlock icon next to the URL. We're logging into an existing HoneyBook account today. If the layout looks a little different on your device, don't worry. HoneyBook updates its design from time to time, but the login flow remains the same. On the home page, look to the top right corner and click Log In. If you're on a phone or tablet, you may need to tap the menu icon first to reveal the Login option. On the login screen, you can sign in with your email and password. Type your email carefully and enter your password exactly as you created it. Passwords are case sensitive. If you use a password manager, allow it to autofill to reduce typos. Double check that caps lock isn't on and that you're using the same email you used when you set up your HoneyBook account. If you can't recall your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it securely. You can also log in using a supported social option, such as Google or Apple. Choose the same provider you originally used when you created your account so HoneyBook can match you correctly. If you have multiple Google profiles or Apple IDs, make sure you select the right one during the prompt. Keep in mind that your organization might require signing in with a specific work profile. After you've entered your details or selected your social sign-in, click Log In. Follow any on-screen security checks. This might include a verification code, a prompt in your Authenticator app, a quick CAPTCHA, or an email confirmation. Keep your phone nearby if you use two-factor authentication. If you're asked whether to trust this device, choose that only on a personal, secure computer. Once you're in, you'll land on your HoneyBook dashboard, where you can access projects, messages, invoices, and templates. If the page doesn't load as expected, try refreshing, clearing your browser cache, or switching to another modern browser. Temporarily disabling a VPN or checking your device's date and time settings can also resolve odd login loops. And for future convenience, bookmark the login page so you can get back here in one click. That's all you need to confidently log into your HoneyBook dashboard. Pause the video and follow along as needed, and you'll be up and running in moments.